Okay, today we are talking about a DIY ultrasonic humidifier. So this DIY ultrasonic humidifier that I designed is intended to be simple to make, from readily available parts, and inexpensive. So the main component is a plastic 5-gallon bucket. Makes it convenient to carry it around. It's quick and easy to drill holes in it. So let's take the lid off and look inside. So with the lid off, you can see you fill it up with a few inches of water. You can see the ultrasonic generator sitting in the bottom of the 5-gallon bucket. The wire from the ultrasonic generator goes into the junction box that you see here. You have your power supply that plugs into a regular 120 volt outlet. Inside that power supply, steps of 120 volts down to 24 volts. Which powers the axial fan and that ultrasonic generator. Great thing about a 5-gallon bucket like this, if one ultrasonic generator doesn't generate enough humidity for you, you can quickly and easily add a second or third little ultrasonic generator. They use very little power and they're inexpensive and readily available. You can find them on Amazon, eBay, etc. So you do not fill the bucket up all the way with water. That's important to remember. Just a few inches. Also, I'd recommend buying an ultrasonic generator that already comes with the wall plug and a low-level cutoff switch. So if the water level drops too low, the liquid level sensor will turn power off to the ultrasonic generator to protect it. But you can see the fan blows air into the bucket, then the ultrasonic transducer atomizes the water into a very fine mist or fog, which of course the air movement inside the bucket from the fan will blow it up and out the top of the bucket. I recommend leaving the lid on the top of the bucket. Simply leave the cap off of the pour spout. That way you don't have to worry about any little water droplets sprinkling out of the bucket, or you don't have to worry about your kids or pets getting into the bucket. So basically you drill your hole about 3/4 of the way up the side of the bucket for the axial fan. You could glue or use some double-sided adhesive tape to attach the junction box to the side of the bucket, or mount it up higher on the other side of the bucket, and you could drill holes and use screws and nuts to hold it in place. The axial fans come with 4 mounting holes in the corners, so you can use small screws and nuts to mount the fan. Buckets are readily available at your local big box store, home center, online, etc. And the junction box, you can buy it with a blank cover plate or with a switch like I did in this 3D model. And again, the great thing about being a 5-gallon bucket, you can carry it around your facility or your house to where you need it. And a quick tip, you may want to consider buying the 1-gallon jugs of deionized or distilled water at your local grocery store, because they don't contain all the minerals that tend to clog up the ultrasonic transducers. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.